Hi there, welcome back to Veewave Enterprises. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and join our awesome community. For all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. Ever dreamed of owning a beautiful home in Kenya without breaking the bank? It is possible. Today we are diving into the secrets of affordable home construction in Kenya. We will explore everything from choosing the right land to leveraging government incentives. 1. Key factors affecting cost. Land. Location. While urban areas offer convenience, rural options can be more budget-friendly. For example, consider areas like Kiambu, which offer a good balance of affordability and accessibility. Local materials like Darugo machine cut stones, available through our partnership with Brayo and Darugo Mawe, are both affordable and durable. These stones are not only aesthetically pleasing but also provide excellent insulation. Hiring local contractors can save you money, especially when considering their familiarity with local building practices. They often have connection with suppliers who can offer discounts. Simple functional designs reduce construction time and cost. Avoid overly complex architectural features that can drive up the price. 2. Tips for building affordably. Build your home in stages to align with your budget and avoid financial strain. For instance, you could start with the foundation and walls, then add the roof and interior finishing later. Research and take advantage of any available government subsidies or programs. The Kenyan government often offers incentives for affordable housing projects. Consider doing some of the work yourself to save on labor cost. Tasks like landscaping can be handled by homeowners with basic skills. Modern construction techniques. Explore prefabricated homes for faster construction and potential cost savings. These homes are built in factories, reducing the time and labor required on site. Incorporate eco-friendly materials like bamboo or recycled materials to reduce cost and environmental impact. These materials can also add a unique touch to your home. Create a comprehensive budget, including contingency funds for unexpected expenses. Work with a financial advisor or architect to ensure your budget is realistic. Work with experienced professionals like Veewave Enterprises. This is to ensure your project stays on track and within budget. A good project manager can help you avoid costly mistakes and delays. Understand local building regulations and permits to avoid costly delays or fines. Consult with a local attorney or architect to ensure your project complies with all legal requirements. Now, at Veewave Enterprises, we offer comprehensive construction management services tailored to your needs. From project planning and budgeting to overseeing construction, we are here to ensure your project is completed efficiently and within budget. We understand the unique challenges faced by Kenyans living abroad. Our team is experienced in managing projects remotely, ensuring seamless communication and oversight. Remember, building an affordable home in Kenya is all about making smart choices. Choose the right location, use local materials, consider phased construction, and take advantage of government incentives. If you are ready to start your affordable home building journey, contact us at Veewave Enterprises. Our team of experts can provide personalized guidance and support every step of the way. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more valuable tips and insights on affordable home construction in Kenya. Your support helps us continue providing valuable content.